Morning everyone, welcome to the MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. This is Vanshita Achmani reporting from the Department of Space Studies MERI. Let's move forward towards today's exciting space news update. Today's headlines: India celebrates National Space Day 2026 with focus on future space leadership. NASA finds Earth microbes could survive near the Moon's South Pole. SpaceX reaches 100 Falcon orbital missions in 2026. NASA prepares for Artemis 2 crew to receive Space Medal of Honor. Today is Tuesday, August 25, 2026. Tuesday represents energy, progress, and determination. These qualities perfectly reflect the spirit of space exploration, where scientists' discoveries and ambitious missions continue to push the boundaries of what humanity can achieve beyond the Earth. Today's Space Thought by Stephen Hawking. Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Top Space News today. India celebrates National Space Day 2026 with focus on future space leadership. India celebrates its third National Space Day on August 23, commemorating the historic Chandrayaan 3 landing near the Moon's South Pole in 2023. This year's celebrations highlighted India's growing achievement in space science, technology, and innovation. ISRO chairman Dr. V. Narayanan spoke about India's journey from its early days of space research to becoming an important global space power. The occasion also highlighted the growing role of India's space startups and the importance of innovation and collaboration for India's future in space exploration. NASA finds Earth microbes could survive near the Moon's South Pole. NASA scientists have found that some microbes associated with humans could potentially survive in the extremely cold and permanently shadowed regions near the Moon's South Pole. The research is important because future astronauts may unintentionally carry microorganisms with them to the lunar surface. Understanding how long these microbes could survive can help scientists plan better planetary protection measures and protect the scientific environment of the Moon. The findings are especially relevant as international space agencies prepare for more human activities around the lunar South Pole. SpaceX reaches 100 Falcon orbital missions in 2026. SpaceX has reached an important milestone by completing its 100th orbital mission of 2026 with a Falcon rocket launched from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The mission carried 27 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit, and Falcon 9's first stage booster successfully landed on a drone ship after launch. The milestone demonstrates the rapid pace of reusable rocket operations and increasing number of commercial missions being carried out in a single year. SpaceX is also targeting additional on Starlink launch on August 25. NASA prepares for Artemis 2 crew to receive Space Medal of Honor. NASA's Artemis 2 astronauts are set to receive the Conventional Space Medal of Honor on August 28 at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. The four members Artemis 2 crew completely humanity's first crewed lunar flyby in more than 5 decades earlier this year. The upcoming ceremony will recognize their contribution to human space exploration and the mission's importance in preparing for future journey to the Moon and beyond. Today's Space Bulletin highlights the rapid progress taking place across India's and the world's space programs. India is celebrating its growing position in global space exploration. NASA is studying how human and microorganisms may interact with the lunar environment. SpaceX continues to demonstrate the power of reusable rockets, and Artemis 2 crew is being recognized for its historic journey around the Moon. Together, these developments shows that the future of space exploration depends not only on powerful rockets and spacecrafts, but also on scientific research, responsible exploration, international cooperation, and human curiosity. With that, we come to the end of today's Space Bulletin. This is Vanshita Ajmani reporting from the MERI Space Club, signing off for today. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember that every new discovery brings humanity one step closer to understanding the universe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.